Welcome to the Environmental Science Merit Badge online training section. And so what I'm going to do in this is break up the this online portion of it into several little chunks, and then you can decide whether it's appropriate for you. I mean, at your guys' age, 11 to 18ish, you all mature at different rates and everything. So if you go through the first couple of chunks and just say, hey, this is not for me, and maybe I'll wait till next year, and we'll do this next year, every year. And then you can just decide for yourself if it's, because environmental science is a little bit more of a complicated, I could say, to understand topic because it's such a field that involves so many other disciplines. And so it isn't really a, can I say, a pure field of it itself. It involves a lot of other things. And the first part of this initial playlist is we're going to go over what the requirements are for obtaining the merit badge. And the first thing that you need to do is be able to make a timeline of environmental science in the United States of America, not the world or anything like that, just the USA. And so this is the part that I will kind of cover briefly, and then however you want to make it is up to you. If you want to write a little, like a page summary, or make a flow chart, or make a web page, it's totally up to you how you want to do it. You just need to make some type of timeline. And again, it's totally up to you. How you construct that timeline is up to you. And then the next part is you need to be able to define certain terminology or words that are used in environmental science. And this includes population, community, ecosystem, biosphere, symbiosis, niche, habitat, conservation, threatened species, endangered species, extinction, pollution prevention, brownfield, ozone, watershed, airshed, non-point source, hybrid vehicle, and fuel cell. So you need to be able to define these. And how you want to define them, again, maybe just we can print out one of those sheets that you find about merit badge requirements, and we can fill it in. And so that these two parts here, construct a timeline and be able to define, I'm going to help you with that and help you go over the material. And then we'll do the next part outside of the regular scouting meeting. And you have to do 7 activities in areas of ecology, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, endangered species, pollution prevention, resource recovery and conservation, and pollination. So you have to do those. And so we'll do those at our normal meeting place outside of our more normal meeting time. And then the next part would be to study 2 different areas and write a report on that. So that's something that you're going to have to do yourself. And you'll just pick some area, maybe like somewhere down near the Truckee River or up on Peavine Mountain or Galena Creek or somewhere near your home that's, a wildlife area. And you're going to study these 2 areas over 2 different periods of time. So this is, like I said, the environmental science one is a little bit more complicated than a lot of the other merit badges and a little bit more time consuming. And then you need to prepare an environmental impact statement and explore some career activities that you usually do for most merit badges.